Hello, my dear student. I welcome you all in today's online learning. So, today we are going to learn something new and interesting. So, today we are going to learn English grammar. The first lesson of English grammar is parts of speech. So, student, what is parts of speech? A sentence contains many words. Each word is named differently according to the work they do and the way they are used in a sentence. These different names are called parts of speech. So student, there are 8 parts of speech. So they are noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, pronoun, conjunction and interjection. So student, the first part of speech is noun. A noun is a naming word. It is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, Rita is a good girl. There is a name of a person in this sentence, Rita, and a girl. Second sentence, Delhi is a capital of India. So in this sentence, there is a name of a place, Delhi and India. Third sentence, a dog is a faithful animal. So in this sentence, there is a name of an animal, dog and animal. Fourth sentence, I have lost my pencil. In this sentence, there is a name of a thing, pencil. So the second part of speech is verb. A verb is a doing word. It shows action. For example, Rohit jumps really high. What action Rohit is doing? Jump. Second, the children play in the park. What action are children doing? The children are playing. So, the verb, the action word is play. Third, she writes neatly. What she is doing? Writing. So, write is the doing verb, action verb. Fourth, Ravi swims well. What action Ravi is doing? Swims. So, swim is an action word. So, the third part of speech is adjective. An adjective is a describing verb. It describes and tells us more about the noun. For example, Sonakshi is beautiful. So student, how is Sonakshi? Yes, she is beautiful. So beautiful is adjective. Second sentence, the Imperial Tower is a tall building. So student, how is the building? Yes, the building is tall. So in this sentence, the adjective is tall. Third sentence, the mango is sweet. How is the mango? The mango is sweet. So what is the adjective in this sentence? Sweet. Fourth sentence, it is a hot day. How is the day? It is hot. So the adjective in this sentence is hot. So the fourth part of speech is adverb. An adverb is a word which tells us something more about a verb. For example, Rita danced well. How is Rita dancing? Well. So well is the adverb. Second sentence, I write neatly. How am I writing? neatly. So neatly is the adverb. Third sentence. I play often. How do I play? I play often. So often is the adverb. Number 4. Kindly pass the salt. How do I pass the salt? Kindly. So kindly is the adverb. So the fifth parts of speech is preposition. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between two nouns or pronouns in a sentence. Preposition, as the name suggests, pre plus position is placed before a noun or a pronoun. For example, the pen is on the table. So, where is the pen? On the table. So, on is the preposition. Second sentence. Come and sit with me. Where do I sit? With me. So, with is the preposition. Third sentence. Ram goes to school at 8:30 a.m. Where does he go? He goes to school. So, to is the preposition. Fourth sentence. He slept in the waiting room. Where did he sleep? He slept in the waiting room. In. So, in is the preposition. The sixth parts of speech is pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. For example, he, she, it, them. So, here are few sentences. First one, she was feeling hungry. Who was feeling hungry? She. So, instead of a name or a noun, they have used she. So, in this sentence, she is the pronoun. Second sentence. Sheila invited them for lunch. Sheila invited whom for lunch? Sheila invited them for lunch. So, them is the pronoun in this sentence. The third sentence. You are my son. Who is my son? You. So, instead of a name or a noun, they have used you. So, you is the pronoun in this sentence. Number 4. This house belongs to us. Whom does the house belong? To us. So, the pronoun in the sentence is us. So, the seventh part of speech is conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two words or two sentences together. For example, the first sentence is I like mangoes and apples. So the word that joins two words is called and. So and is the conjunction. The second sentence, he ran fast but he missed the bus. A word that joins two sentences is but. He ran fast but he missed the bus. So but is the conjunction. Third sentence, walk fast or you will be late. Walk fast or you will be late. So or is the word that joins two sentences. So or is the conjunction. The fourth sentence, the boy is crying because he has hurt his leg. The boy is crying. He has hurt his leg. So, because is the word that is joining two sentences. The boy is crying because he has hurt his leg. So because is the conjunction in this sentence. So the eighth part of speech is interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses feelings like happiness, surprise, shocked, etc. For example, first one, oh, you are at home. Oh is a feeling that expresses feeling like surprise. So O is the interjection. Second sentence, bravo, you worked very hard. Bravo means very good. So that is also a feeling. So bravo is an interjection. The third sentence, hooray, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. Hooray is the feeling of happiness. So hooray is an interjection. Number 4. Oh my God, look at the time. Oh my God means shocked. Look at the time. So oh my God is the interjection. So student, I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you so much.